Your energy is classy and regal. You are seen as elite. You have that type of personality whereby people are shocked whenever you open your mouth to speak. People may assume that because you come from a certain background, because you live in a certain state or area, you're going to act a certain way, you're going to speak a certain way. But people don't understand that you are a person that can shift and change into a different person, you know, in some cases. Not in a sense of being a shapeshifter in a negative sense, but again, you can come from a certain background, but you could speak like you are from another background. People may say, oh, I didn't think that you would sound like that. Oh, you're very elegant, or you're very well spoken. And they're shocked. They're shocked because they're thinking to themselves that because you are from a certain culture, you would act a certain way. And you are a walking advert of not to judge someone based off their background, not to judge someone because they come from a certain culture. People are confused about you. Okay? People feel like you should only hang around or date people that are from your culture. You should only have friends that are from your culture. And in your world, that's not the case. I also feel like you are a person that believes in harmony and balance. However, people will feel like, oh, I can't understand you. I can't read you. I thought you were one way, but you're not. But this very magical energy that you possess that has so many layers makes you very high vibrational, yes, but also it makes you very appealing to others. So you have that way about you whereby you appeal to people universally. People can't put you in a box. Some people may have tried to dehumanize you by making you feel like, oh, you don't fit in, or you're too different, or you don't know what your type is, whatever the case is. They try to push you out of certain environments. They try to emotionally or spiritually bully you. But you turned your back on it and left them to their own chaotic devices. A lot of people are obsessed with you. A lot of people are obsessed with your energy because they can't read you. They see your energy as very expansive. They see you as very magical. They see you as very abundant. And you are abundant because whenever you go to, say, a different country, a different culture, you fit in. People look at you like your family. And some people feel like they haven't got that same appeal. Some people may try and appear to have that way, that cosmopolitan way about them, but it's fake, it's false. Because these types of individuals, they are not about expansion. They are not about standing up for the people or doing what is best for the people. They're all about themselves if it serves them. And these people are very saddened that they don't come across like you. They don't understand how you're able to bridge a gap from many, from one culture to the next. They don't understand how come you are accepted in different cultures. They may have pretended to be this way inclined, but they don't have the same appeal. Some people could be quite upset by the fact that you were able to marry, you were able to date a person from, say, their culture that is deemed as high caliber, that is deemed as the eligible bachelor or bachelorette. They don't understand this. It's the energy thing. It's not a looks thing. I do feel like you're very, very highly beautiful or handsome, but I feel like it's more your energy signature, because your energy signature lights up the room. It uplifts the frequency of your environment. People don't put a color on who you are. You're able to transcend people from seeing color, class, religion. You have that ability to make people see you as a soul. And some people, you know, they're very angry because they feel like it's wrong. Those people that are stuck in an outdated way of looking at things, they feel like they need to stop and block you. You can't go towards a certain romantic suitor. You can't go towards your dream role, your dream job. You have to be outcasted. You have to be ostracized. You can't get into certain positions because you don't fit, you know, the bill as to how they feel like you should look. Or you shine too bright. You're too confident. Why are you like this? You should feel small. You should walk with your head down. How come you are able to balance out two worlds? How come I'm not seen in the same light as you? Because you are everything that they will never be, my darling. You are of pure elegance. You are magnetic. You are beauty in real form. You are hypnotic. You are classy. You cannot buy class. These people are acting wild and reckless, thinking that because they come from certain backgrounds, because they have certain job positions, they should be treated with respect. But when they see you, they know what a true king or queen looks like. Walking around parading to others like they are someone that they are not, that they thought they were. You can give them a whole lesson on etiquette. They feel like trash, quite frankly, in comparison to you. Because you have made them see that it's not about where you come from. It's the way you hold yourself. It's the way you carry yourself. And because you carry yourself with class, grace, and dignity, other people have no choice but to treat you in the same light. But these individuals, they will refuse to. They will refuse to see you in your light because it's beneath them. How dare you? I should be seen as the highest cup. Darling, energy doesn't lie. So whilst they try and figure out how come you are magnetic, respected, going crazy about it also, still trying to stop and block you, Spirit is saying keep pouring into you, keep investing in you, because these people are chaotic. There's nothing wrong with being quirky, and that's another thing. Because you're quirky, because you're different, because you're an innovator, it's just confusing. It's mind-boggling. I'll have to do a part 2 in regards to you, but you are the real deal. You are here to change the game of how the game was before. You are the new wave. You are the new trend. And these individuals are clinging on to our outdated belief that is so long gone. But hey, you can't help everyone, can you? Anyway, I'll speak to you soon. You or the people of the signs mentioned could be Libra, Sagittarius, Sagittarius again, Aquarius, Virgo, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Pisces, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. Spirit is saying that you are going to shift the environment, shift a group, club, organization, a friendship group. Your energy is going to become the new wave. Get ready.